ID pants offer an ideal solution for people with moderate incontinence. ID pads can be pulled on and off like classic underwear. This product range brings discretion and comfort thanks to both its elasticated waist and the cotton fill material. The pants should be properly positioned to ensure comfort and safety for the user. Remove the product from the bag, unfold it, and open it by slightly bending the product lengthwise and activating the anti-leak cuffs. Position the product by making sure the label is placed at the back of the user and pull the product on to fit it as if you were classic underwear. Remove the pants, either by lowering them down like underwear or by tearing the side panels on either side of the product. Once removed, simply roll the product up and dispose of in a hygienic manner.